Hi Diva, so this video is actually for my students that's in our Cranial Prosthesis e-course. As always, get the bundle so that you can learn about insurance information, the VA and everything, and also learn about cranial prostheses. You really do need the bundle because cranial prostheses are not your everyday lace wigs like the one I have on. Although they are beautiful, and medical wigs can be made on the outside to look like whatever you see on social media, but the insides are a lot different. So this video is important since it's going in the e-course and as well on YouTube for the public. I won't go into much details. You have to take the course. But I just wanted to show y'all before I unwrapped it, but before I unwrap everything, look at that scalp, okay? Look at that scalp. Look at that scalp, y'all. This is gonna be so beautiful for my client. I was happy when it arrived. Her hair is white, okay? So this is a number 60. This is a topper because she just wanted to add that fullness. So she didn't want a whole cranial prosthesis. She just wanted a topper, and we were able to create this in a beautiful color for her. It is custom, so her name is on there. I won't bring it too close. Patient confidentiality. Okay, so there we go. I covered their name. Let you see like the little serial numbers and stuff. But it's cool. Her name is in it, so it's for her. And she didn't want to use any type of adhesive. So we added the clips on for her, the combs. So once she put it in, she just pops it back like that. And then as you see here, in the e-course, I will write what material that is in the inside. I will also write what supplier this is from. And then as you can see, there's some more material around the perimeter that's a little bit different from the inside of it. But yeah, I just love this. Every cranial prosthesis does not have to be created with lace. You still can get a nice, even better, realistic, I feel like the camera doesn't do it any justice. I'm gonna put a piece of paper back under there because it's really transparent. But yeah, my client is gonna love this. My client is Caucasian, so it does match her scalp so great. Yeah, like I'm just super excited about this. I wanted to show the world. I wanted to show the world this because, you know, we get so many calls and everything, and it's just, yeah, it's just one of those things. You always want to be able to create exactly what the client is looking for. And yeah, this color is not easily found in human hair. So this is a human hair topper that I am packaging and sending to her. I want to show y'all our boxes too. Give me 1 second. Okay, so another thing that we talk about a lot in the class is branding. So here's the same supplier. Everything that I literally do, my students are doing too. Y'all see the ring light back there? But yeah, so here is my custom box. And I actually am ordering some more because some things have changed. I'm just looking at it right now like, oh, so... Okay, perfect. Yeah, so my updated Instagram name is there, Divine Beauty Institute. I thought they had the old one there. Yeah, so you can see it says wigs for veterans, and this is gonna look so nice inside of this box, especially when she opens it. Like, it's giving luxury. I don't know about you guys, but it's definitely giving luxury. Okay, so super excited about that. That's going out when I finish this video. Yeah, that's all I can really say. The class is super duper amazing. I'm getting calls and text messages from my students, and they're doing some amazing things. They're doing toppers, afro toppers. They're installing toppers on all races, Caucasians, African Americans. I just received some pictures from one of my students who did a male Latinos unit that came out beautiful. So the course gives you everything. You know, you have your suppliers, you have your different cranial prostheses designs, you have the different types of alopecia. My students also have direct access to me. Even some of you on YouTube who watch some older videos with my number on it have access to me as well. So I appreciate the calls. And like I always say, just like you were able to reach me today, you'll be able to reach me tomorrow, at least within 24 hours. And then when you join the class, you have your weekly action steps. It's made for you to finish within 4 weeks, because I want you guys to be profitable as soon as possible. However, I want to make sure that you're giving out the right things and that you are not charging the government or insurance clients for something that you're not providing the client. So we want to make sure that the clients are receiving true cranial prostheses for their hair loss and that fits their needs, color, their unique style, everything. And we want to make sure that we are charging appropriately and for the correct item as well. Okay, so your passion will definitely turn into profits if you're doing the right thing. So super excited about that. Another one of my students just received 80% from the insurance company. So of that bill, they received $2,300, and then the client is going to pay for the remaining, the copay, just as if you were at the doctor. Some of my students who are also working with the VA hospital, they are receiving anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500. And most importantly is, one thing that I love about the class and I love about this business is the client is happy. They're like, oh my God, finally a wig that's not shedding. Finally, a wig that's not tangling. Finally, a wig that's the right color, the right fit. I finally feel like, okay, this is mine. You know what I mean? And even something as small as seeing their name inside of a wig, they're like, oh my God, like they are so happy about that. Also coming to the class, I'm going to start including kits. Yes, so I'm going to start including your kit to where you have your coloring in there. You will also have the different type of material, highlight distribution. I know people that are in the class they heard me speak about a client where I'm actually making her another wig right now because that was last year. So she's due for 2 new ones this year. And so we're doing 80% pepper, 20% salt. So everybody don't want a salt and pepper 50% wig. You know, some people have just a little bit of gray and they like that and they want to keep that. But that's not something you can do at home. That's not something you can order off of Love Me and, you know, just have it like that. So, you know, some things really do need to go, all things need to go through the hair replacement supplier. So just wanted to do that quick video. Trying to see if we have anything else. Should I show y'all one more cranial prosthesis that's going in the mail today? Okay, hold on 2 seconds. Okay, so this one is another beautiful one. I'm just going to show y'all the inside, but I'm not going to go in details because you have to take the course, okay? But yeah, so this one, as you can see, because some people sweat, right? So everybody has different needs, okay? So this is custom to her measurements. And she still have that natural looking hairline right there. We have a strip to keep it glueless and keep it from sliding. But yeah, can y'all see that? This is just me rushing it out the pack. Put it back in there so it can go. And I'm trying to make a little part for y'all. But yeah, I absolutely love it. My clients love it. Can y'all see that? So yeah, so she still can get a nice looking natural hairline. That's what I'm trying to show y'all. Okay, so she still can get a natural looking hairline, even though that's not lace in the front, and it's breathable for her. Okay, flowy, bouncy, beautiful. The color, this is beautiful. The color that she like, everything. So I'm super excited to send it to my clients. I'm happy to present it to you guys. So when you have all that in order, your client is happy, you happy, your bank account happy, your students happy. I mean, that's what they say. That's all I need in this life for sin, is me and everybody to be happy. Okay? Client retention, give out good products. Some people will probably say something crazy about this because, you know, when you're working with true medical wigs, for lack of better terms, correct term is cranial prostheses, of course, but when you are working with these, you know, these units are not cheap. That hair topper alone was $700, a little bit over $700, probably like $756. This right here, yeah, it's a shoulder bob, 12 inches, and you probably will pay $90 on another site for that, but resale is going to be $1,500, and you're going to pay your supplier about $500 for a bob. Okay, so but it's custom, it's to her measurements. It lasts for over a year. There's no shedding, there's no tangling. We're good to go. So just wanted to share those tidbits with you guys. Cannot wait to see you in class. We are adding a kit, a consultation kit to the course as well, so I'm super happy to announce that. And yeah, be on the lookout for when I drop that flyer. And even if you sign up today, though, today is August 25th, 2025. So anybody signing up today and later, you will get your kit with the course along with your white coat and along with your certificate in the mail too. So it's gonna be super amazing. So, but I am gonna drop a flyer though. I am gonna drop a flyer announcing it and making it a huge deal. Because yeah, I put the consultation kit in the course, but now I've made the course to where either you can only purchase the bundle or you can only purchase the insurance information. So if you purchase the bundle, then a kit will come with the bundle, just to help you guys with your consultations. So superty doopity excited, and yeah, I will see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.